Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Windows installation you will keep and which to remove. Boot into the primary Windows, then verify drive letters and partition sizes so you don't delete the wrong volume. Once done, make a full backup or system image. That protects you from mistakes. Also, open Disk Management to identify the partition holding the secondary Windows and where the bootloader resides. This map prevents accidental data loss and speeds the process. Next, remove the unwanted operating system files and free the partition. First, delete the secondary Windows folder Windows, Program Files, and any boot entries via msconfig or settings to avoid boot confusion. Then open Disk Management to format or delete that partition. Choose Delete if you plan to merge space into another partition. Make sure to move any personal files off the targeted partition before formatting, and verify free space appears where you expect it. This is crucial for the next step. Finally, repair the boot configuration so the system starts cleanly. You can run bcedit to remove the other Windows entry, or boot to Windows Recovery and run Startup Repair, or use bootrec/fixember and /fixboot for legacy systems. Once the boot records are fixed, reclaim the freed space by extending your main partition or creating a new volume in Disk Management. Restart and confirm a single Windows boots. If it fails, boot from installation media and run Startup Repair. This usually resolves remaining boot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.